Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks in the kitchen again with you guys. Wow, it seems like I haven't been in front of you for a while. Well, listen, let me tell you something. Your girl has been working hard at these detox and detox recipes, okay? Summer is around the corner, you guys. Now, I know I've been hearing your stories. I've been hearing all of you coming out with, you're happy about these detoxes. You're happy about, the weight loss that you're doing, and you're looking forward to these extra, hintful recipes. So let me tell you something. I got some wonderful detoxes for you guys. Don't sleep on these. Do not. The one that I'm getting ready to show you right now is a diuretic. This is going to have you flushing out that fat, flushing out those toxins, okay? And you're going to be losing weight. You're going to slim down. So let's get right into this video where I'm so excited to share to you this simple little weight loss recipe. Simple, okay? Let's start the video right now. All right, you guys, so we're in the kitchen right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need for this recipe. You're going to need some 100% cranberry juice. Unsweetened, preferably. Okay, so if you get your cranberry juice, make sure it's unsweetened. I didn't have any unsweetened. I couldn't find it, so I got my regular cranberry juice, so that's okay. Don't worry about it. You're also going to need 1 liter of unfiltered water. You're also going to need some ground flax seeds. This is a simple recipe. You're also going to need a pitcher. So make sure that you have a pitcher at hand because this is going to be too much to put into a glass. So, very simple recipe. What you're going to do is you're going to take your liter of water and you're going to pour it inside your pitcher. Okay. You're also going to need a ½ cup of your cranberry juice. And you're going to pour that in there as well. And lastly, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of your ground flax seeds. Okay, 1 tablespoon. That's simple, you guys. You're going to mix this really well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to let this sit for an hour. Okay? Outside of the refrigerator is fine. If you want to put it in the refrigerator, that's fine. But you can drink this at room temperature. Or if you want, you can throw some ice in there and you sip on this throughout the day. Okay? So I'm going to let this thing steep for an hour. Then I'll come back on camera and show you exactly, or let you know exactly how it tastes. And that's simple. Okay? So we'll be right back after this steeps for 1 hour. Okay, it's refreshing. That's just all there is to it. It's like drinking flavored water, alright? But this is even better because it's more powerful and it has so much more going for your body, alright? You will definitely see some weight loss drinking this, alright? Consistently every single day. And it's easy to make and it's very affordable. Ground flax seeds, cranberry juice, and water. That's it. Alright, y'all, so until the next video, don't forget to like, comment, share these videos with your friends and family. Share it with everybody that's on a weight loss journey, okay? Share it on your social media site. And also like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up these videos. Hit those like buttons, okay? Let's get this video up to 500 likes, all right? And I have more detox videos coming your way. So until the next one, I will see you then. Bye. Hey, fam. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell. So this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also, hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.